Welcome to the world of battery energy storage systems, also known as BESS. In the world of BESS, performance and reliability are crucial, not just goals. With a focus on containers, BESS suppliers face the challenge of optimizing battery performance, anticipating future needs, and minimizing warranty costs. And the journey is fraught with obstacles, such as the need for expert guidance on communication devices and the search for devices that are reliable and durable. This is especially important because these systems are commonly implemented in remote or harsh conditions. This is where we come in. Our expertise lies in mastering OT data, providing reliable solutions that are rigorously tested for optimal data collection, transmission, and processing. Let's look at how it works. For data collection, Moxa's NPort, MGate, and I/O modules play vital roles in connecting serial signals in BMS or auxiliary systems, ensuring precise data capture and seamless system integration. For data processing, Moxa's IPCs are the cornerstone for gathering and analyzing critical data, such as state of charge, SOC, state of health, SOH, temperature, voltage, and current from battery racks and auxiliary systems. And for data transmission, our switches act as the backbone, harmonizing data flow to the EMS and PCS, facilitating smooth data communication and ensuring robust cybersecurity. In addition, our offerings go beyond products by incorporating reliability and expertise. Our products are rugged, ready to withstand the harshest conditions, from vibrations and shocks to extreme temperatures. They provide you reassurance against unexpected maintenance costs and downtime. When it comes to longevity, no one can match us. We guarantee sustained supply and service in over 100 countries. Throughout the setup and first 20 years of your BESS project, we are there as your partner, simplifying processes, enabling smooth networking, and providing reliable supply and service. Moxa's communication and networking solutions empower each BESS container to achieve peak performance by ensuring reliable, efficient, and sustainable data management. Moxa, powering your energy storage.